How to find follower requests notifications settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find follower requests notifications settings on Instagram Lite. First thing, open Instagram Lite, and here you will find your profile. Here in the bottom corner, click on it and then click the storylines in the top, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then just click here, this one, and notifications, and then click following and followers. And as you see here, you will find it follower requests. Now just you can turn it off or on just by one click, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.